Guys, this is Ricky Martin, the cybersecurity guy, coming to you from cloudy Phoenix, Arizona today. Just want to take a quick minute to talk about the Mac OS High Sierra vulnerability that came out, which was announced this week, and Apple has patched it. As of yesterday, they did release a patch. From what I'm reading initially, it looks like there's also some additional bugs associated with that patch that could cause some other issues not related to the root user access. So the main concern here is being able to access a system as the root user, which is essentially full admin privileges on the system without a password. This was normally disabled within the Mac OS, but with this latest release of High Sierra that affects version 10.13 and 10.13.1, both of those are affected with the vulnerability, and the patch should address that. But from what I'm reading so far, it looks like there's also a file share issue after you apply that patch. So there are some workarounds to it, which I'll post a couple links to those in the comments on the video, as well as in the details of the video, so you guys can access those. The way is that this is going to give anyone who has physical access to your machine the ability to log in. So that being said, for most home users, that's not going to be a huge concern, but it is definitely something you want to be conscious of, as well as for most corporate users. That's really where it comes into play, is that you could create backdoors, allow access if you don't have some kind of privilege management solution in place. So that's something you want to be conscious of, especially if you are in the IT world and managing any Macs and you have upgraded to High Sierra. You'll definitely want to be concerned about that and take steps to address that, and either change the root password remotely or have some kind of access to change the root password on those systems if they're managed through any type of management platform, or otherwise you'll want to make sure you implement the patches quickly to get that addressed. And thanks again, and talk to you soon, and subscribe.